Gold prices in India have created history. For the first time ever, the rate of 10 grams of gold has crossed 1 lakh rupees. Now everyone is asking, will it touch 1.5 lakh rupees or crash back to 50,000 rupees? The rate of 10 grams of gold has crossed 1 lakh rupees. Now everyone is asking, should you invest in gold now or wait? Gold is shining bright for a reason. Global uncertainty due to wars, inflation, recession fears, and central banks buying more gold all are driving prices higher. When the world panics, people rush to gold. It's always been the go-to safe haven in tough times. Some experts believe gold could climb to 1.35 lakh rupees or even 1.5 lakh rupees in the coming years. But a lot depends on inflation, interest rates, and global stability. If things cool down, prices may correct too. Short-term moves are unpredictable, but in the long term, gold has been a trusted store of value. So is this the right time to invest in gold? If you are thinking long-term, the answer is yes, but with a strategy. Don't invest all your money at once. Start small, consider SIPs in gold ETFs or digital gold. Aim to keep 5 to 15% of your portfolio in gold, depending on your goals. Which is better, physical gold or digital gold? If you are buying for jewelry, physical gold makes sense. But for pure investment, digital gold or gold ETFs are much better. No storage hassles, no making charges, and often better pricing and liquidity. Plus, you can start with even small amounts. Bottom line, gold is a safe long-term asset, but don't get carried away. Avoid emotional buying during price spikes. Use SIPs, stay disciplined, and treat gold as a support in your overall portfolio, not the main hero. So, what do you think? Will gold hit 1.5 lakh rupees or fall back to 50,000 rupees? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. By the way, I had uploaded a detailed video earlier explaining all gold investment options, taxation rules, and more. You can check it out by clicking the I button on top. It's packed with useful insights. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more smart investment insights. Stay tuned and stay smart with your money.